Over the next 2 days, towing companies and our local law enforcement officials will be very busy with calls about some car concerns. Our own Sheridan Hertig joins us live in studio tonight. She spoke with local organizations to see how they'll be helping out in this snowstorm. Sheridan.
Shelby, both Mr. Towitz and East Peoria Police hoping people stay home for the storm. But if you can't avoid leaving the house, they do have a few tips and tricks for how to get around. About a foot of snow. That's what Central Illinois is expected to see in the next few days. Local organizations hoping people take this time to stay off the roads. But what if you can't and happen to get into an accident?
I would definitely say call the police first, then the tow truck company second.
You may even see longer wait times by both tow truck companies and law enforcement.
I'm going to guess with that type of snowfall, maybe 4 or 5 hours.
If you're driving and see a tow truck or law enforcement on the side of the road, follow Scott's Law. A law that requires drivers to move over a lane to avoid hitting emergency vehicles with flashing lights.
1 out of every 6 days there's a tow truck driver killed. It's more than police and firemen combined. We just ask that people give us room. That's the scariest thing about this whole storm. That's my biggest concern right now.
Also make sure you have specific items in your car to keep you safe if you need a tow or your car slides off the side of the road.
During the winter, you should have a blanket in there. You should have a small type of shovel, sand, to provide the extra weight, but it also provides a good traction. So if you did get stuck and you're able to get your car moving a little bit, you can get some sand under the tires and provide yourself extra traction.
But most importantly, drive safely.
I want people to understand that it's not just their life when they're out there on the road. They're affecting other people's lives, and their driving and their decision making makes a big difference.
Donnie Stanton says if you're waiting for a tow truck in under an hour, wait in your car. But anything over that, he suggests having somebody pick you up to get out of harm's way. Both Broderick and Stanton want people to stay home and off the roads. But if you can't, remember those steps to keep yourself safe through the storm. Shelby.